close up， more close up。
好一 close up 㗎喎。咖喱蛋。
今日嘅 Mexican rice 好似顏色比較深啲喎。出邊冇乜陽光啊，唔飲凍嘢啦。上公揀咗個咖喱包喎。
咖喱過桑未試過。
咖喱確桑，咖喱蛋啊，OK。
咁係啲牛肉喺中間嚟嗰啲鹹味嘅。
試下先。呢個 biscuit 就係食開嗰種味啦，不過都係覺得有點乾，加埋呢個就好味啲啦。
我出去攞嘢先。
轉入去呢個海灣啊，已經有一隻船見到係泊咗喺度。
Well, there you go, everybody. Have a wonderful day in Monaco. Enjoy the Midnight Sun party this evening. In the meantime, I've been your cruise director down to keep all the good vibes rolling, and I'll see you.
因為佢呢架係 outside 啊嘛，唔係呢架船啊嘛。Information Centre 攞料啊喂！
比預期咧早咗落船咯，原先係驚住趕唔切個巴士啊！我哋嘅 tour 係11
開咗未㗎
3個字啦，開咗㗎啦，
開咗㗎啦，
我幫你撳埋掣㗎啦。啊，而家
影個大公仔先。
10點半咧就已經落咗船啦，係咪10點半啊？
影個大公仔先。
我睇下。Information Centre 隔離咧就有巴士啦，係啦，10點半啊就已經落咗呢一個嘅船啦。咁又係啦，唔使過呢一個任何嘅關口，一行就行咗出嚟，就腳踏實地啦。呢啲咩甲科嚟啊？鹹魚頭喎，鹹魚頭唔知晒嚟做咩咧？哇！前邊又冇人，上邊又冇司機喎。我哋都行下先啊，有點凍啊！睇到船上邊嘅大銀幕啊！凍㗎嚇！呢樣有呢啲可能係擋住驚住嗰啲沙石喺上面碌落嚟，係咪咧？Paper bag no yeah。搞咗一大輪啦，上車啦。因為咧就係有一個新手同埋經驗不夠啦，又要對名喎，但啲名咧佢又搞唔掂喎。咁後來咧就換咗一個 supervisor 嚟啦，就話見到旅行團嘅名，見到時間，對就已經可以上車啦。咁分別就喺呢度啦。跟住喳喳啦，唔上晒車。
First of all, welcome to Florida. I love the island and home center of the North Cape municipality. I have one question, and that is: are there any guests on this bus that are traveling with the hobby lucky ship?
Hobby lucky ship 可能就係另外嗰隻。
Another question: those who have booked this summer tour, did you receive your entrance ticket to the North Cape? That is this ticket I have here in my hand. If not, please raise your hand and I'll bring you.
咦？有居然
未攞啊！
最初嘅時候唔記得派啊，梗係呢張就係啦。係啊，已經遲咗啦，未開車啊。
自己咪搭狗咯。
係咯，反正今日有時間，7點半先開船，有好多巴士。